Alright, viewers, again, for all of the older people that like the older cards, I got some Neo Destiny packs. I don't remember opening any of these when I was a kid, but I think they came out right about after I quit collecting cards. So, gonna be surprised to see whatever I get in here. I've heard these, there's some pretty cool cards that come in these packs. They're some of the most expensive packs that you can buy. I would have liked to got them first edition, but that would have ran me probably 10 bucks a pack. So I had to go with the unlimited edition. So how about I open up some of these? Come to think of it, these look kind of familiar. I might have opened up a few of these before. Don't know the trick though, so let's just go through them. How we looking? Looking good. Totodile, Mantine, Pineco, Unknown T, Remoraid, Growlithe, Unknown L, Lightledium, which is my rare, Dark Haunter, Hitmonlee, and a Dark Pupitar. I think he was 3 back. Yep. So hopefully I get some of those elusive cards that I've seen people talk about in this series. So Light Sunflora, Lediba, Slugma, Machop, Ghastly, Swinub, Mareep, Heracross, Light Ninetales, Unknown Z, and a Dark Slowking. Third pack. So I got an Unknown L, a Larvitar, Cyndaquil, Mail from Bill, Slugma, Lediba, Light Sunflora, Dark Forretress, Dark Executor, Dark Flaffy, and my rare, the Broken Ground Dream Chainer. Ew. Not much for the whole rare trainer cards. So nothing too great yet. Looking for at least another haul or a holo or two. That'd be nice. So we got a Vulpix, Girafrig, Phanpy, Unknown Y or V, Doc Artillery, Psyduck, Hitmonchan, Light Venomoth, Light Dugong, Pokemon Personality Test, and my rare is a Dark Scizor Holo. It's pretty nice. That's weird. I guess that's just because it's an older card around these edges here. Looks like it's been worn down, but other than that, mint condition. It's pretty nice looking. Fifth pack. Oh, come on. Ow! 3. So I have a Totodile again, Sunkern, Glilgar, Unknown T, Pineco, Mantine, Unknown L, Lucky Stadium, a light Jolteon, a light Flareon, and are you kidding me? A Dark Scizor again? Wonder what the odds of that is. Those have got to be pretty high odds, or low. So that's nice. Is that nice? My last pack. I got all these packs from Troll and Toad, by the way. So a little shout out to them. They got pretty low prices if you guys want to check them out. They have an eBay account and a store. Unknown, Y, Dratini. What the? Okay. Heal Powder, Vulpix, Execute, Seal, Venonat, Team Rocket's Evil Deeds, Togepi, Late Machoke, and my rare. Ooh. That's not any good to end it on. Not a fan of these unknown cards either. Got an unknown W for my rare. So again, here's most of the rares. I think I forgot one somewhere. Got 2 Dark Scizors, a Dark Slowking, Broken Ground Gym, and Unknown. These guys back to back for a recap. So thanks for watching. I do think that I ordered some of these first edition packs, even though they were pretty pricey, but I don't think they've got here yet. But I'll keep an eye out for those. But my next video after this should be, I think, 10 or 8 first edition Team Rocket packs. So stick around for that, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.